Okay, so here's what I did. To do this graph, I took this minus pi over 3 on the inside, and that's an x transformation. It's what we call the phase shift, and it's going to be a shift to the right. When you move to the right, you're actually adding, so I added pi over 3 to each one of my angles. Down here I had to find some common denominators to add things together. So 0 plus pi over 3 is pi over 3. Pi over 2 plus pi over 3 I wrote down here. I found common denominators and got my 5 pi over 6. Pi plus pi over 3 is 4 pi over 3. 3 pi over 2 plus pi over 3, I had to do some work down here. Got 11 pi over 6, and then 2 whole pi's with another pi over 3 is going to be 7 pi over 3. Then for the y's, I had to multiply all the y's by 0.5 and got these new coordinates. So I'm going to graph my green and my pink. So I'm not going to start at 0, 0. I'm actually going to start at pi over 3, which I know you're like, it's not on my graph, but it is, because if you think about the first quadrant, it goes pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2. So right here at pi over 3, I'm at 0. And then at 5 pi over 6, which is right there, you're at 0.5. And at 4 pi over 3, you're at 0. And 11 pi over 6, you're at negative 0.5. And then out here at 7 pi over 3, you're back at 0. And then the graph would go backwards, but you've drawn one period, so you're good. Go back to Edmodo, and there'll be a video that's going to help you do the next 2 pages.